Hey guys, Aaron here from Werewolf Pulse. Just woke up, and today's day 7 of the 24 days of unboxing, so let's get it started. Of 2019. Yeah, sometimes there's pieces that like to escape. Yeah, I'm just gonna struggle putting this piece in the middle because somehow it's just being stubborn. There we go. Touched it. Here's the fireplace. Actually, a fire. You can also articulate this piece and you can move it around. And here is Chewbacca from Star Wars number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Spoiler alert. And he's holding the chicken wing. Or chicken leg. Excuse me. Sorry. That's it, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and of course join Husky Wolf Pack. Bye, guys.